What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. And once again, I'm inside of Steam and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to speed up any download time within the Steam game launcher. So as you can see, I have a simple 6 GB download right here. And as you guys can see, it's going to take over 4 to 5 days. Now, obviously that is not reasonable at all. And as you can see, the time is actually just going up. Now it's up to 5 to 6 days. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix this and actually speed up any download time and make it go by way faster. Step 1, in the top right corner, open up this little gear icon that says Download Settings. On the left-hand side, look for the option called Downloads. At the very top, it's going to say Download Region. Make sure that this is accurate. You want to make this your actual location. That way, when the settings connect to your nearest location router, they're actually going to make it extremely fast because that's like the closest settings nearby. Step 2, scroll down to Limit Download Speed. Make sure this is unchecked. If it's on, it'll limit how long the update takes. Step 3, keep scrolling. Allow downloads during gameplay, turn that on. Throttle downloads while streaming, keep this on. Display download rates in bits per second, optional, you can turn that on. Step 4, under schedule auto updates, you can set the game to auto update between certain hours, like when you're asleep, example 12 a.m. to 7 a.m. Step 5, scroll to the bottom and find clear download cache. Clear it and confirm. This will shut down Steam, reset it, and clear the cache. This can help speed up your downloads. You will have to log back into your account after doing this. Step 6, in the bottom right corner, go to Friends and Chat. Click the down arrow next to your name and go offline. This can significantly speed up your download times. Not sure how it works, but says it does. Other than that, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Keep in mind, there are a bunch more ways you can speed up your download time, but not inside of Steam. It's actually through your computer settings. I have already uploaded that video. You can click on the video that shows on the screen. If you enjoyed, don't forget to drop a like and sub, and I'll see you guys all on the next one.